Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to install YouTube Kids app on your phone. The process is really simple. Stay with me, I'll show you how and let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. Now this is the homepage of Play Store. Here you'll simply have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And on this search bar, type YouTube Kids. After you're done, press search. I had a small typo there, but it displayed the results regardless. The app is what we're looking for. You can install the app from this page itself, but I'll open this on a bigger screen. Okay, now you'll simply have to tap on the green install option and wait for the app to get installed. Meanwhile, let's talk about the app. YouTube Kids app is a great way to keep your children away from age-inappropriate contents. The app is kid-friendly and a great platform to teach your kids about certain stuffs. The app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds and it will be all ready to use. You can also check the reviews if you want to until the app gets installed. Scroll down and you'll be able to find reviews under this. Here they are. I guess the app has been installed by now, so let's go up, and yes, it has been installed. Now you'll simply have to tap on the green open option and you'll be directed to the app. Here it is. Now simply create an account and you will be ready to use the app. If you don't know how to create an account, then you can go through our other videos. I've shown you how to create an account on the app as well. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.